In this video guys, I will show you yung process ko on how I will update my PayPal integration. Kasi nga, we receive an email from System.io. So if you're System.io user, for sure, ay naka-receive ka din ng update nila noong October 15, 2025 na dapat bago mag-October 30 ay dapat na-reintegrate natin yung PayPal natin kay System.io. So, meron naman silang binigay dito na step-by-step process kung paano mo siya gawin. But just in case that you were not able to follow their step-by-step process, so that's why I created this video for you. So, let's go guys. I will update my PayPal integration now in System.io. So, nag-login ako sa aking account and punta ako dito sa aking settings. And then, under Payment Gateways, i-click mo po yan. And punta tayo kay PayPal. So, kailangan natin siyang remove PayPal integration. So, simply click this trash icon to remove your PayPal integration. And may pop-up window dito na magtatanong if sure ka ba. Then, click mo lang itong confirm. So, refresh lang natin. So, now that we successfully remove our PayPal integration, ang next step na gagawin natin is to reintegrate it again kay System.io. So, to do that, we are still here under Payment Gateways, tapos under PayPal, and then i-click mo lang itong Connect button. So, under processing guys, this will going to connect to our PayPal account. So, here sa next step, connect a PayPal account to start accepting payments on System.io. So, kailangan mo mag-login sa yung PayPal account. So, enter your PayPal account email address dito and then choose your country or region. And then, after that, click mo na ngayon ang next button. So, ayun pala guys, if may existing account ka na kay PayPal, so automatic siya magsasabi na may account ka na kay PayPal using your email address. So, hindi mo na pala kailangan gawin yan. Sa step na ito, kailangan mong mag-login sa yung PayPal account. So, enter your email address and then your password and then click login. PayPal will display a permission screen like this one, informing you that System.io wants permission to connect your PayPal account. So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is to click the allow button. So, after clicking that allow button guys, the next step is you need to fill out the information dito sa form na ito. So, dapat yung ilagay mo dito na information is make sure na match ito sa mga government issued photo ID mo. So, ngayon guys, i-fill out ko lang muna ito. After na ma-fill out mo yung mga details dito guys, i-click mo na ngayon ang next button. And then, on the next page is that you need to confirm your address. So, piliin mo lang yung tamang address mo. And then, click confirm. On the next page is all about naman sa business or sa organization mo. So, what's your business code? So, just check here. Just use your full legal name for now. If wala ka pang registered na business name. What's your business registration number? So, skip lang muna natin yan. What's your primary currency for your business? So, Philippine peso. What do you sell or what service do you offer? Click mo lang itong arrow down and lalabas na yung mga choices dito. I'm torn between business services and professional. So dito lang tayo sa professional services, guys. So, ito po yung product and service natin. Professional services, business website. What business use your residential? Okay. And then, click na natin itong next. Confirm your address, original. Click confirm. So, andito na tayo guys. Sabi niya, you're all set. You're linked to System.io and ready to take payments on your site. So, click natin ito, return to System.io. Alright, so andito na tayo sa aking System.io account. And then under PayPal guys, may makikita na ako dito na merchant ID. Kapag ganito na siya, may merchant ID ka na. So, your System.io account is now ready to receive PayPal payments. Ang next step na gagawin mo ay punta ka na sa mga order form and make sure na sa order form mo ay meron kang nakalagay doon na first name, last name, and email address. So, punta tayo ngayon sa aking order form. Punta ako sa aking sites and then punta ako sa aking sales funnels. Hanapin ko yung Freedompreneur Challenge, 7-day low ticket, ito. Alright, nasa order form ako guys, so wag po kayong malito. And then, i-click ko na itong edit page. So, tingnan lang natin kung mayroong first name, last name, and email address. And so far guys, nagka-follow naman tayo sa instruction ni SYSTEME.io. Kasi kung walang first name, last name, and email address yung order form mo, then kailangan mo po talaga yan lagyan, okay? So once that you've completed this process, you are ready to receive payment using PayPal. Congratulations!